Welcome to Sirishri Kitchen. Today I am going to show you carrot pineapple cake. Ingredients required for this are: we need 2 cups grated carrot. Carrot is a good source of several vitamins and minerals, especially beta carotene, which converts into vitamin A. It is good for our eye vision. It also has biotin, vitamin K, potassium, vitamin B6 and good amounts of fiber. 1 cup crushed pineapple. Pineapple contain high amounts of vitamin C, thiamine and manganese. It is a good source of dietary fiber. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1.25 cup sugar, 3 eggs. Egg is a complete protein. It has all the amino acids that we need for our body. And 4 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder and half a cup milk. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First add eggs to the bowl. Beat till eggs become fluffy and creamy. The eggs are beaten well. Now add sugar. Now add coconut oil and milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Beat well. This mixture is mixed well. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Mix them well. Now add this flour and mix in cut and fold method. Now add crushed pineapple and grated carrot. I took 13 by 9 inch pan. Now I am pouring this batter into the pan. Tap this well so that the batter distributes uniformly. Oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and it's time to put our baking pan. Bake this for 30 minutes. When we insert 4, it should come out clean. See. Now the cake is ready. Let it cool completely. Then we can cut it into different pieces. Cake has been cooled completely. Cut this into small pieces. This cake is so soft and porous. This cake is very tasty and healthy because we added some fruits in this. This is one of the favorite cakes of my kids. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. Thank you.